So a question came in here to the Acumatica community forum related to construction, specifically the daily field report. So the question was, is this going to be an option for replacing weekly crew time entry, or is this something that we're going to have to do in conjunction with it? How does it interface with time activities? So we're going to actually pull up the system and just answer that real quickly here. So I'm going to navigate over to this tab, which is going to show a daily field report. I've got it dated basically the first of the year, right? So we're going to add some time to this labor, time, and activities here. So I'm going to click my add, make sure I log it under Joseph. Select Joseph. So you can input earning type, a bunch of different things here, but I'm going to go ahead and just put in some site work. We're going to do 2 days to show how this works. So just do 8 hours. All right. So I've got my cost code. I've got my description. If you want to add to it, I'm just going to say day 1, just so we can see the difference here. So I'm going to go add my next line. Again, Joseph. Okay. And I'm just going to do another day of site work. Simple enough. Just shows the example that we're going for here. And just to make it different, let's do 7 hours, 45 minutes. All right, day 2. And the other thing I want to make sure of here is our dates are different. So it's going to default to the date of the DFR, but if you want to put in more time, you could. So I'll go ahead and do this. I put it in on the wrong spot. There we go. Can't bill more time than you spend. Okay. So once I save, I've got 2 time activities in here, and we're going to go to the employee time card, right? And we're just going to refresh. For the same time period, it actually is going to pull over those details that we just input. So you can see the dates there, the 2nd and the 3rd. You can go over and even see the summaries there, 7:45, 8. So it actually flows through to your time card. It also will come into your time activities if you select those dates. So if I go, let's go navigate back and choose that week that we just put time against. It'll pull those 2 time activities in. And so you can actually navigate and use these via time activities if you'd like. They all live on the same data table in the time activities space, but they can be utilized within time cards or released from here if needed. So they all integrate together. It's one of the great things about the daily field report that's super powerful.